welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com Crocoin, as well as the overall crypto market as a whole. We are at 10,500 subscribers. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away a loaded line NFT, and also many more giveaways to come. So subscribe right now. Let's hop into this video. Guys, we have been pinned above $30,000 for the past few weeks. Almost been a full month that we've been pinned above $30,000, which is awesome to see. I really would like us to break back above 31,000, start heading towards that $32,700 price level. But as of right now, consolidating and basically accumulating, I believe we're in the accumulation zone leading to the Bitcoin halving. $30,000 being pinned there is not a number to be upset about. This is a great buying opportunity, in my opinion, to dollar cost average in. Even if we go below to 25,000 or go up to 40,000, I think that in that range is a great time to be buying and layering in as we get closer and closer to the halving, because that's when we'll probably be absorbing the majority of the liquidity into Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is at 50% basically, and if you exclude stablecoins, we're probably at about 52%, maybe even a little higher. But it's really important that you pay attention to where the money is flowing, and right now the money is flowing out of the altcoins into Bitcoin, and that's why I think that from right now in the $30,000 price levels all the way up to maybe even the low 40,000s are probably good dollar cost averaging opportunities in the short term or in the next 10 months or so. That's not financial advice, but personally, I put my money where my mouth is, and I've been buying Bitcoin and accumulating Bitcoin and Ethereum as of the past 6 or so months. But let's take a look at Bitcoin right now, because Bitcoin is getting closer and closer to this halving, guys. This blue line represents the Bitcoin halving. I have it set at the 1st of 2024, but we'll probably be having the halving around March, so about 2 or 3 months after. But I do think that the main agenda is still in line, and we're going to be trading sideways. This is the year of accumulation until we get to the Bitcoin halving. I believe that this is the year that Bitcoin steals the show. It's going to absorb the majority of liquidity and kind of really damage a lot of the altcoins that don't have a product to sell or a technology to be able to be used. I do think that some altcoins will survive, but I think that the majority of them will see more pain leading into this Bitcoin halving. So what does that mean for Crocoin? Well, don't be scared, guys, because Crocoin is a company that has a product. It's a massive company that has a product, that has recognition. Their main goal is to bring on the next 1 billion users. And, right now, I do think that Bitcoin is probably the safe play to be garnering the most gains leading into the Bitcoin halving. But I will say that right now, Crypto.com Crocoin trading at 5.5 cents is pretty good. It is a pretty good deal. And, I do think that we're about to break out. The volume is drying up here. Whether we break out to the upside or the downside, time will tell. But usually when you're grinding on a support level like this, and the volume is shrinking up, usually you break to the downside. I've been talking about that. And I think that if we do break to the downside and then you couple that with the liquidity being sucked out of the altcoins into Bitcoin, I do think that we need to close this candle wick right here at 5 cents. And that may be a quick little spike to the downside, or it may be an extended time before we reach that and bottom out before we come back up, just like this little U shape we had right here. But time will tell, guys. I really do believe that the money is flowing out of the altcoins into Bitcoin for the next 10 or so months, but that doesn't mean that there aren't lots of opportunities in the altcoin markets right now. But I think that when you look at the macro, that's kind of how the crypto space is finding itself. And that's how it's been for every past 4-year cycle. We've had the year of accumulation leading into the Bitcoin halving, where Bitcoin steals the show. And it's basically the best data point we have is the 4-year cycles. So that's what I base my thesis off of. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video, click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. And also when we reach 100 members, we're going to be starting to give away $500 worth of Bitcoin each month leading into the Bitcoin halving. That's 10 months of $500 giveaways going to our members. Super excited about that, guys. But that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.